హాయ్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ విషయం మీకు చెప్పడానికి నేను వచ్చానండి. ఐ వాంట్ టు సే వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. There are many mega job melas. There are many companies which are coming to recruit. I heard in Siddhartha College also, in Dilshnagar I think, tomorrow there is one mega job mela. Many companies are coming for that job mela. Participating is very important in the mega job mela. You may succeed. That will increase your confidence level. The college is in Dilshnagar, very nearby area, where you can reach very easily. And some registration process is also going on. Generally the registration process will be prior day. By today you have to register. Though if not possible, if you are outside, you can register tomorrow also. But when you are attending for a mega job mela, you should keep these points in your mind, my dear students. Not like just coming and going. Don't take anything casually in the life. You may smile, but life should not become a smiley to some others. See, my dear students, when you are attending for one mega job mela, you always keep in mind, get ready in the early morning only. Yes, then wear a formal dress. No problem, no comment on that. Be formal, wear shoes if possible. And తల కూడా బాగా మంచిగా దూకోండి అమ్మ. Good hairstyle and everything. Carry your resume, that is very very important అమ్మ. Don't try to write on some paper and give. Don't neglect. Keep the resume today only. And do registration, that is important. One important thing, don't miss it. And work with confidence. And walk with confidence. Your walk will tell how confidently you prepared. Then speak confidently. Whatever you speak, sometimes it may be wrong, but say confidently. Then try to be fluent in English, my dear students. Prior day only, you can use the net and you can use the Google and everything. YouTube also. How to pronounce, how to speak fluently. Take one newspaper and read it thoroughly in English. And keep in mind, my dear students, your smile is your biggest asset. Your smile is your biggest asset. And always try to cooperate with the placement staff, because you are going to some other college, maybe that college is yours. Yes, always have patience. And be prepared to stay there for a time of 1 hour, 3 or 4 hours, whatever it may be. Why? Because round after one, if you not get selected in one company, don't get disappointed, my dear students. Don't get disappointed. One more company will be there. There are many opportunities will be there, my dear students. Let us make success of mega job melas. So tomorrow there is a mega job mela is there in Dilshnagar, Siddhartha College. Do participate. Share this video to as many as possible. Yes, my dear students, getting a job is vital. Everybody's aim is to get a job. Continue education together with doing a job. My dear students, be confident. I wish all the best to all of you, my dear students. You are going to succeed. You are going to succeed. Then don't make it delay. Make a call to college and try to join. Try to register in the process. And you are coming and you are encouraging others to come with you. Yes, competition increases the skill. My dear students, be confident that you are going to get a job tomorrow. I wish all the best, my dear students. I wish all the best. God bless you all. God bless you all. With the greetings of Diwali, signing off, Venkat Danam, always with you. Thank you. Please like my channel. Please share my channel. Please subscribe to me. Just a common teacher's request. Please accept it. Thank you, my dear students.